So this is my review of the Misty Heater propane top heater. Here's my Misty Heater propane tank. MH540T has 3 settings: low, medium, and high. You got a 30 BTU, 36 BTU, 45 BTUs. Easy hookup on a thing. I'm in my 2-stall garage right now. I personally leave the garage door open the door open like this just to get some air in here. Some say you don't have to, but for cautious, I always do. This heater works great. I do a lot of work in my garage. Pretty simple to use. You just connect it right there, right on the propane tank. Very simple. You got a nice little lever here that you can actually move it back and forth. Make sure you use the lever because everything else is pretty hot. You got your levers over here. Got your low, your medium, your high, your off. Right now it's in my off position. Tank's off. To start it, you got this little hole right there. Put a little match right there. Make sure you use a long, I use my little, that's the little lighter. When you turn it on, you gotta press this button and hold it. Light it up until that turns red, then release the button. And you're good to go. Put it in whatever setting you want. So I'm gonna turn it on. I put it on a low setting. Now let's see if I can do this. There we go. I put on a low setting. You can put on high. That's it. Just hold it, baby. Till it turns red. Release. Can adjust right here, which to me, I only need it on low, and there you go. And I can tell you right now, it's nice and hot right where I'm standing. Hope this review helped. Description below. Thanks for watching.